What if a single adaptive indicator could generate more than 200% profit on the 5-minute chart, close to 900% on the 30 minutes, 600 on the 1 hour, and still produce more than 150% profit on the daily time frame? That's exactly what happened in our latest backtest. Today we are going to break down exactly how this indicator works, how the strategy was built, and whether these results actually hold up under real trading conditions. I'm ATP and let's get started. Before we begin, a quick shout out to the Discord member who suggested testing this indicator. Thank you so much. Our Discord community has more than 10,000 active traders testing ideas and even sharing premium indicators and strategies. So if you ever find an indicator or strategy you believe has an edge, share it there. It might be the next one we test. And so the indicator we are testing today is called the FRAMA Channel. Let's open TradingView and put it on the chart. At first glance, it looks like a simple price channel, but what makes it interesting is the logic behind it. FRAMA stands for Fractal Adaptive Moving Average. Unlike traditional moving averages that use a fixed calculation period, FRAMA adapts its sensitivity based on the fractal structure of the market. In simple terms, when the market is trending, the indicator reacts faster, and when the market becomes noisy or ranging, it becomes smoother. The FRAMA channel builds upper and lower bands around this adaptive average, creating a dynamic channel around the price. When price breaks above the upper band, the indicator signals a potential bullish trend, and when price breaks below the lower band, it signals a bearish trend. You will also notice that the channel changes color depending on market conditions. Green indicates bullish momentum, blue signals bearish momentum, and gray shows choppy or ranging markets. Now let's quickly look at the settings. The most important setting here is the length, which controls how sensitive the adaptive average is. And then you can also adjust the band's distance, which defines how far the price must move to trigger a signal. For this test, we'll keep the default settings, so the results remain realistic and avoid any over-optimization. Now it is time to test it, and as always on this channel we don't trade indicators blindly, we need context. First, we'll add a simple but powerful filter, the 200 period EMA. Long trades will only be allowed when the price is above the 200 EMA, and short trades when the price is below it. This removes a large number of low-quality trades and aligns the strategy with the dominant market direction. Now, regarding risk management, stop losses will be placed at the most recent swing low for long trades and the most recent swing high for shorts. And instead of using a fixed take profit, the trade stays open until the indicator flips direction and produces the opposite signal. This will be the key that allows the strategy to capture large trends, which is exactly where the biggest profits come from. Now that the rules are defined, it is time to define our testing sample. We are going to test the strategy across 5 different assets and across 4 different time frames, using the maximum historical data available on TradingView, which give us thousands of trades and multiple market cycles to evaluate the system properly. We are going to build a new trading bot to run the backtests automatically, using the same structure I showed in a previous video, where I explained how to create a trading bot in PineScript from scratch. If you are interested in learning how that works, I will leave the link in the description. So let me finish implementing the code with these rules and I will be right back with the results. Now that the bot is ready, let me quickly show you how it works. As you can see, it automatically places the valid trades on the chart following the rules we defined earlier, and all the results appear here in the Strategy Tester tab. This allows us to analyze performance very quickly without any manual work. If you are curious about how these bots work, you can also download our free user guide on the website, where I explain the logic behind the system and how these strategies are tested. Now I am going to apply the bot to each asset and time frame, run the backtests, and I'll be right back with the results. Starting with a 5-minute time frame, this was actually the weakest one. Even though the strategy generated around 240% profit, the equity curve is clearly more unstable, with larger fluctuations. And it's not surprising, because lower time frames come with much more noise and volatility. Still, the strategy managed to stay profitable, with Tesla being the best performing asset. Moving on to the 30-minute chart, this is where things get really interesting. This was the most profitable setup, generating close to 900% profit, with an average risk-reward above 3. The win rate is not extremely high, but that's exactly the point of this system. It doesn't need to be right very often, because when it's right, the trend moves are large. Another important detail is that all assets were highly profitable in this time frame. Now, on the 1-hour chart, the results remain very similar to the 30-minute one. The equity curves are still strongly positive, the average risk-reward remains very high, and once again all assets show strong profitability across the entire test period. And finally, on the daily time frame, we see the highest win rate, around 37%, while the average risk-reward stays above 3. All assets were profitable here as well, with Bitcoin delivering the best result, generating around 56% profit with only about 40 trades. So here's the final takeaway. This strategy actually produced the lowest win rate we have seen so far on this channel, but at the same time it delivered the highest average risk to reward ratio. And because of that, in terms of pure profitability, the FRAMA channel ended up being one of the most profitable indicators we have tested on the channel so far. And just a quick disclaimer, these analyses are made for educational purposes, showing real backtest results under clearly defined rules. And to finish, based on the results we have seen today, the FRAMA channel earns a strong position in the top 6 indicators. Despite having a lower win rate compared to many other indicators, it generates impressive profits when strong trends appear. So, while this type of strategy may not be suitable for everyone, for traders who prefer trend-following systems with large potential profits, this indicator can be worth exploring. And that's it for today. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to leave a like, it genuinely helps the channel more than you think, and subscribe if you are new here. I'm ATP, stay sharp, trade smart, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.